Product type auto part. Item package dimension, 8.6 cm length by 29.2 cm width by 35.0 cm height. Item package weight, 1.428 kilograms. Country of origin, ChinaSecure Fit, a true performance product, tested for function in a real-world environment, quality assured, designed with the user and installer in mind. Secure Fit, a true performance product, tested for function in a real-world environment, quality assured, designed with the user and installer in mind. Quality assured, secure fit, designed with the user and installer in mind, tested for function in a real-world environment. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect upgrade for my 2011 Mustang. There are several companies that provide a way to upgrade the infotainment system in 2010 to 2014 Mustangs. The Sync 1 system in my car quit working, so the Bluetooth and voice function was gone. I bought the Metra interface because it was the most affordable. You can configure it with a big opening at the top or bottom, and it allows you to choose what kind and size of head unit you want to install. I put a Boss radio, Android, Bluetooth, backup camera unit in. It also has a slot for 32 GB SD card. The Metra unit was not complicated to install and their tech service was very good. Because the sync system was dead, I did need to contact Metra with some questions, but their answers were quick and helpful. I put the head unit in the upper, larger, portion of the interface and the Metra HVAC controls are in the lower portion. The whole thing works great and is a big improvement on the old system, especially since Sync 1 doesn't do much and I had no use for the CD player. My steering wheel controls also work correctly.